Right now, we'll go back to the 80 billion naira fraud charges leveled against former Kogi State Governor Yahaya Bello, where we have our correspondent, Joshua Imarayi, standing by to speak to us on this and give us an update as well. Hello, Joshua. If you can hear me, can you give us an overview of the allegations against Yahaya Bello and also the key highlights of the 19-count charge?
Well, the former governor of Kogi State, Governor Yahaya Bello, appeared before the Honorable Justice Emeka Nwite of the Federal High Court here sitting in Abuja. And an 18-count charge of money laundering was read out to the former governor, who pleaded not guilty, however. But based on incident that have occurred before now, there been some back and forth that Yahaya Bello was unwilling to appear before a court of level jurisdiction. However, the counsel representing Yahaya Bello in this case, that is the person of the son, this new advocate of Nigeria, Dauda, actually pleaded the court that the court should dismiss such notions that his client was not willing to appear before the court. He, however, clarified that there have been some legal technicalities involving a higher court of jurisdiction and a lower court of jurisdiction on the case. That he prayed the court should grant his client bail in lenient conditions so as to avail him the opportunity to turn up for court proceedings during the trial and as long as the case will last. The counsel representing the prosecution, that's the EFCC counsel, he actually prayed the court to grant the bail conditions, just as the defense counsel is saying. And the prosecutor, however, said that before now they've had a robust communication between the EFCC counsel and the counsel to the defendant. That means they've been talking before now. And what the EFCC counsel is saying is that to make this whole case as easy as possible. And now, Honorable Justice Emeka Nwite have retired to his chambers that ensued that allows the both counsels to rub minds together on the case. So that is what happened. And based on the allegations leveled against the former governor, according to what was read out to the court, it was alleged that the former governor purchased a series of properties in Nigeria, Abuja particularly, and in Dubai in foreign currencies. And these are what is making the entire 19-count charge that is leveled against the former governor, who was said to have cronies who helped him facilitate the entire scheme that is being alleged by the EFCC.
Oh, okay, but how are his his legal team defending him? How is his legal team defending him against these particular allegations?
Well, we are yet to get into the trial in full scale because there has been a date that was scheduled for it, and that is February. A date in February has been scheduled for the trial. So from there, we know those stands, the defense, and the prosecution are taking. But however, a bail condition of 500 million naira was given to Yahaya Bello, and based on the orders of Honorable Justice Emeka Nwite of the Federal High Court in Abuja, he says that his shortee, he gave him an option of two shortees who must be resident of Abuja and have properties in Abuja and have such life sum of the bill that was ordered by the court to be paid for Yahaya Bello to treat. And subsequently, the judge is saying Yahaya Bello should be remanded in Kuje Correctional Facility, pending when the bail conditions be met, and he will be released. So from next year, February, we'll be entering an avalanche of Yahaya Bello's case in the Federal High Court, sitting before Honorable Justice Emeka Nwite.
Okay. Now, can you also tell us what the next step, in this case is, and what does it mean for the former governor? I mean, legally.
Well, for the former governor, that is the person of Yahaya Bello, it is going to be sure that his movement will be grounded to only Abuja because, however, it was not said that he put a flight list, but however, they are telling him to tender his international passport before the court to ensure that he stays within Abuja and does not move out. So, pending when this case will be heard and ruling will be delivered finally, he is going to confine his movement to only the vicinity of Abuja, and he has to appear before the court in all cases, in all hearings, and during the trial phase.
All right. Well, thank you so much for that update, Joshua.